Hey everyone, do not laugh. You're never gonna guess what's going on. I thought I was done with December. Remember I did the mashup video with all of my videos or all my subscriptions because I was so far behind. 2 came in the mail today. Are you gotta be kidding me? And I got tracking for December or January. So I know that these ones are for December. So this video is one of the 2 that I'm gonna be doing for December still. This one's for Splendies. If you want to see what I got for December's Splendies, stay tuned. I feel like I'm so backwards. I thought I was really catching up with doing the mashup video for December's subscriptions, and then I get a box and a bag. So this one's for Splendies. Splendies is a $14.99 a month subscription. You get 3 pairs of panties. And they do go off of your preference. You can go choose mystery. You can choose thong or no thong. And I believe boy short or no boy short. So, yeah. This is what it comes in every month. This cute, pretty pink bag. And it says Splendies on it. Santa Monica, California. 2013. Established 2013. Sorry, I had like a brain fart again. I don't know what is going on with me. And it's got the pretty paper with a little sticker on it, which I hate opening when they're so cutely wrapped. But I already know that these are going to be totally adorable. This is what I see when I open. So let's get into it. Ooh, these are really, really cute. They have like a rose pattern in the leaves. So they're like this. The butt is like that. Very cute. They're from Miss Vicky's Intimates. And they retail for $12. Super cute, stretchy. Absolutely like it. The second pair is a really interesting pattern. They look like this. I don't understand. I mean, it's a little different. You see how the butt is shaped a little different? It comes in, it has like a little flare here. So they're kind of cute. They're like spandexy kind of material. And they're from Splendies. It's their brand. They retail $12. What is the material of these? 86% nylon and 14% spandex. So these are really, really cute. They're super soft and stretchy. I want to get into these ones because these are the December theme that they've had. I think everybody that got Splendies got this particular pair that's really cute for Christmas. This pair is totally cute. It's by Splendies. Aren't these adorable? They have the cutest little penguins on here. So this is the butt. And then in the front, they got the cute little bow here. These also feel like they might have spandex in them. They're more silkier though than the last pair. And they're very similar. It's 87% nylon, 13% spandex. So I absolutely think these are so cute. And like I said, these are Splendies brands, so they retail for $12. So this month's subscription, each pair was $12. That can vary. I've never gotten a pair from Splendies that was less than $12, I don't think. And I've gotten a pair that was up to like $45. So it does vary, but it's never less than $36 in value, which is really cool for $14.99. So that was my Splendies for December. I do know that January's has already been mailed out. So I'll leave a referral link down below if you guys are interested in subscribing, trying them out. They do tell you that they run one size smaller. I haven't had an issue with mine, except for one time I had like a funky pair that Splendies had no problem replacing. But so I guess if you're like a medium, order a large, or you know, if you're a small, order a medium, whatever, go one size up. So but other than that, they are great quality, awesome patterns, pretty material, like comfortable. I absolutely love Splendies. Thank you, Splendies, for these ones for December. You guys like this video, leave a comment down below on what you think, and I will see you all again real soon because I gotta do another video. Talk to you later. Bye.